Oh wait, there's a red light.
Am I a Muppet?
Am I a man? Oh, am I a Muppet? Am I a Muppet?
Or a Muppet Man?
If a man, then I'm a Muppet of a man.
I was watching season 3 of Community,
Yeah,
and I was really bored. Okay.
yeah,
I was like really bored because I had my car serviced. It took 3 hours to service my car.
yeah.
And I was just watching. I brought my tab.
tablet?
Yeah, I was just watching Community, and then I like that song that they hummed. That. Remember that? You remember that episode? The
Dude, we
Halloween
should just start
episode?
telling everyone that the
Where they
tow
started
truck is coming.
telling
When
scary
we called
stories.
the
Oh yeah.
Carry the scary stories. That's awesome.
He should.
It's like you really have to have the entire song.
Ba-ba-da.
It's like, well, we don't want to have the.
Ba-ba-da.
You don't want to have the news story coincidentally go when when they turn on the radio. That's just too cliche.
You know what's a cliche?
Where is the show
You
button?
know what's a cliche? Bad Asian drivers.
It's not racist if it's true. Okay.
That's right, that's right.
You know what? Right after mass, okay, someone's gonna pull out and they're gonna like fishtail and hit that.
No,
person.
it's not fish
He's so far out too.
Yeah.
A person who turned here and just
Wait, who's
Like,
gonna
speeding in
hit
here?
who?
Because didn't you just see what we were laughing about?
No.
She totally picked up the cone so that they could park there and then put the cone on the edge of the car.
it doesn't
Like-
matter.
No, but you know what they say?
When something
Last to go to mass, first to leave early. So it's all good.
Yeah.
right up to
the edge. Like, no, but the thing is that it doesn't make sense. You put the cone in there, the person who's gonna skid there, it's not gonna.
That's why we have cones.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Under his tire.
No, not. I'm gonna.